camera, it's surrounding the LEDs.
There's a built-in speaker. I have a budget version, expensive version, bigger screen, smaller screen. So USB-C connection, it's going to be just a plug and play. And USB-C, only the issues I have.
Alright, let's unbox and take a look what is inside. Let's analyze the quick camera and all the system. So we have a multiple 3M double sticks. The camera, it's surrounding the LEDs, as you can see, and also it's outside camera, so the waterproof, weatherproof. And the camera wire, it's very good micro VGA cable, so as you can see, it's a lot thinner. It's easy to run and hide the cable. Alright, this is audio cable if you want to use the audio. The mounting bracket, as you can see, multiple mounting bracket. It's going to be for the dash. You can use this one's going to be extendable, and it's a lot of stuff. The good power cable is USB-C. That's huge plus, and they don't have USB output on the power cable. That's a little minus. So when you're using the cigarette lighter, most companies do with the USB out. The second mount is installed already on the screen. As you can see, it's extra large, 10 almost 11-inch screen. And the secondary mount is just going to be adjustable here, up and down, and that's it. You can remove this secondary mount and you can readjust the suction cable. So here's the audio inputs, here's the audio input, here's the reverse camera input, and the USB-C power input here. That's it, nothing else, only the power button here on the top, and that's it.
If you have a high performance vehicle or classic vehicle, you don't have any screen digital, the screens or the navigation system, and you struggle all the time with your phone, XPMOBQ, some models. I did a couple of videos about this product, about these companies, their products. They have a budget version, expensive version, bigger screen, smaller screen. So they develop a lot of good stuff, and this one, it's another great version of it because the sensitivity touchscreens works flawless. Let's dive in, take a look. So when you connect to the vehicle, it's going to be super easy connection, USB-C connection. It's going to be just a plug and play. Then you're going to connect through the Bluetooth to your phone, and it connects right away. So you have multiple options: CarPlay, Android Auto, SUPERLINK. So you can link your the phone, and you can watch all of the videos, anything, the pictures, anything you have, you can watch there. So audio output is good. This is the settings. You're gonna go here, and depending what kind of setup you have, you can do the different ways. So speaker out is a built-in speaker, so you can listen to audio from the speaker. Bluetooth output, you're gonna connect your device through the Bluetooth, and it's gonna be projecting through your speakers. FM, so you're gonna find empty slot on your FM radio on your vehicle. You're gonna tune that, and you're gonna, for example, 106, it's my tune. I'm gonna tune on the vehicle in the FM 6, so it's gonna give you the audio through your speakers from your vehicle, right? But this one is not the cleanest audio. It's better. You're gonna go to Bluetooth or aux input. The cable is included. It's super simple. You have an output here. You're gonna just the aux input on your vehicle. You just stick it there, and that's it, ready to go. Active buttons always here. Home button, you're gonna go there, and this is the brightness. Also, you can go to the settings. I'm gonna show you in a minute. The headphones is gonna be just how's the connection. Now I have aux, that's why it's showing this. If I do this way, it's gonna be connected through the Bluetooth. As you can see, it shows here how to connect. Audio output, it shows here. So we're gonna go back, and I'm gonna land quickly to the settings. So now, as comes with the bright LED light, the backup camera, this is a waterproof camera. You can install outside of the vehicle. Most of these kind of screens has a not waterproof camera, so you have to install inside the vehicle. So now the LEDs is gonna be nice and bright. When you're doing the reverse, as you can see, it comes with the little tiny wire here. All right, that's a tiny wire. It's gonna connect to your reverse light, and as soon as every time you put on the reverse gear, it's gonna go to the signal here. Right, it goes to signal here, and it's automatically turns on the reverse gear. So we land to the Android Auto homepage. As you can see, all the applications, whatever you want the pop up here, it's gonna be appears here. The exit to the main to the vehicle. On this part, I see the map, the music, what I'm listening, Spotify, Pandora, whatever music you listen, it's gonna be here. Phone calls, the microphones, the phone calls, all that stuff here, right? So I don't have the multiple the applications. I allow us for the Android Auto. Only applications I'm going to use the music and navigation and the ways I use, but you can add a lot more applications. This is a floating, the button's very good, so you're gonna have one click, and you can just, you know, adjust audio outputs. Anything you want, it's going to be here. Right back to the screen now. The settings I was talking about, the reverse. Also, you can turn on the camera if you need it anytime. So screensaver, you can be or auto dimming here, multiple the locations. You can flip between the main buttons depending where you're going to install the screen, so you can flip it there and here. Touch assistant is going to be here. Clear all the connections, remind the tone, you can adjust it here. And back to the Android Auto, as you can see, everything works flawless. It's very fast and intuitive. Now it goes from through the speakers because I connect through the Bluetooth, right? So now it's a built-in speaker. So the decent speaker, you can watch the videos, so YouTube, Netflix, any application you have, you can tether it, you can mirror it, and the great products are very easy to install. This is a mount number 1, and I have a mount number 2 also. And the cables is very nice and thin. As you can see, you can run long cables. And USB-C, only the issues I have, not the issues, I prefer when they do USB output on the cigarette lighter, so I can have extra power for my phones. Other than that, as you can see, great working device with the multiple options. You can do anything. Also the voice command. So this is your Google Assistant is going to be there. Also the Siri is going to be here because my Android is connected. If you have the Apple device, it's going to be your Siri, and also you can set up vice versa. So yeah, great. Another product, as you can see, super nice to fit any place. It's going to give you a lot of flexibility. All my vehicles unfortunately have a multiple screens, so I don't have a place to install it. Maybe I'm going to put it on my Tesla, and I'm going to show you how it's going to look on Tesla. But as you can see, screen functionality, click-throughs, everything works very good. Great product from XPMOBQ, and I'm going to show you other products from this company. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out also in the next video.